Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card with Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start purchasing tickets using a new credit card that you've got. How do you actually go ahead and connect a different credit card? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is click on our Ticketmaster app and then make sure that you're logged in. Next, on the bottom right hand side, you want to click on My Account, and then from here, you want to click on Saved Payment Methods. So from here, you want to click on Add New Card, and here is where you would input your card details, such as your name, card number, expiration date, country, etc. So you could actually set this as a primary card for when you are purchasing tickets by clicking on this checkbox. But once you go ahead and add in all this information, guys, you should be able to actually go ahead and connect your new credit card with your Ticketmaster account. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect a new credit card with Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.